If you're in the market for a heavy-duty pickup, please don't rush because the 2025 GMC Sierra HD is shaping up to be worth the wait. New features, more standard equipment, and other upgrades promise to elevate your driving and towing experience and redefine what to expect from a pickup. We present you 7 reasons you should wait for the 2025 GMC Sierra HD. Number 7. Universal Vehicle Module. It may not seem as much, but this new feature could be a lifesaver for many. The 2025 GMC Sierra HD comes with one big novelty, and that's that all variants come standard with a Universal Vehicle Module. For those unfamiliar with the feature, it's not exactly the latest piece of technology. It's been in use for years, particularly by commercial and police vehicles, and just like, let's say, QR codes, it waited for the perfect moment to find its place in mass market use. Basically, it's a technology that uses SAE J1939 protocols to enable communication and integration of various equipment controls handled by 10 switchable inputs and outputs and a custom configuration tool. Now in English, with this new feature, individual owners will be able to uplift their trucks with various systems. Auto vehicle start, shutdown inhibit, fast idle, and snowplow are some of the functions that come with this new module. For example, auto vehicle start function ensures a steady battery voltage, while the shutdown inhibit serves to provide enough power to external equipment, and in case some of these power tools need extra power for more demanding applications, there is the fast idle function. Finally, the module offers snowplow function and turns your Sierra HD into a capable winter monster. It's not like you weren't able to do this before, but the thing with the new module is that it shuts down various active safety features that would normally prevent using a snowplow. As mentioned, all 2025 GMC Sierra HD models come standard with this module. Number 6. Trailer brake controller is standard for 2025. Here comes another good reason to wait for the 2025 GMC Sierra HD, at least if you're looking for lower trim levels. Yes, we're talking about trailer brake controllers, a quintessential tool for a vast majority of truck drivers. Because for a large number of truck owners, driving a vehicle like this also means a lot of towing, and having a trailer behind can really be challenging, even for more experienced drivers, especially in unpredictable situations, when heavy loads can cause a lot of trouble during sudden braking. That's why a trailer brake controller exists. The small device installed in a pickup truck serves to manage the braking system of a connected trailer. Its main role is to synchronize the braking between the truck and the trailer to ensure safe and controlled stops. And the only problem so far was that the small unit that sends electrical signals to the trailer's brakes whenever the driver applies the truck's brakes was not offered as standard in more basic variants. Now this changes with the 2025 GMC Sierra HD. The trailer brake controller is no longer reserved for higher trims. You don't have to pay extra for it if you want a basic trim anymore. Instead, it becomes part of the standard equipment across the whole lineup, and that's definitely a good reason to wait for a few months and get the 2025 model. Number 5. Front and rear parking sensors are standard now. The GMC Sierra HD is a huge truck with the smallest variants featuring 141.6 inches wheelbase and more than 235 inches in total length. With such figures in mind, it's clear that the GMC Sierra HD is not the most maneuverable truck around, and that keeping full control over it in tight spaces can be pretty challenging even for experienced drivers. That's why people invented parking sensors long ago, and of course, the Sierra has been available with them for a long time. However, not all variants were available with this highly useful drive assist feature. The 2024 model, for example, offers front and rear parking sensors only on AT4 or higher trims, but thankfully this changes with the new 2025 Sierra HD. Starting with this model year, front and rear parking sensors are available even in the most basic trim levels, such as Pro and SLE, as a part of the new Pro Safety Plus package. Number 4. MultiPro Tailgate. In a highly competitive segment of the market, such as heavy-duty pickups, even a small detail can make a difference. And when we talk about the Sierra HD's trump cards, the famous MultiPro Tailgate is one of the first things that come to mind. Now part of the standard equipment on the SLE trim, it brings this next-level functionality on the lower range of the Sierra HD's offer. For those unfamiliar with GMC's smart tailgate design, let's say it's an innovative feature that brings functionality to the next level. More precisely, this smart design provides multiple configurations for different tasks. It's anything but a traditional tailgate design because it has a split design with a smaller inner gate within the main gate. So it's not like with a typical tailgate where you can just open and close it. No, there are 6 distinct positions and each serves different purposes. For example, you can easily lower the inner gate and create a step for easier access on the bed. Or you can lower the tailgate just partially and secure longer items. Clearly, the MultiPro Tailgate is a versatile, smart design solution, but can it withstand the heavy exploitation associated with a truck like this? Apparently it can, because the aforementioned full-width step can support up to 375 pounds. The MultiPro Tailgate is both practical and durable, and it is certainly a valuable tool for truck owners who use their cargo bed more often than usual. It offers next-level convenience and functionality compared to a standard tailgate. It is clearly a good reason to choose it over classmates. Number 3. Lineup variety. Some see the GMC Sierra HD as nothing more than a rebadged, probably a bit fancier variant of the Silverado HD, but if you're about to be fair, it's a bit more than that. It's a pickup that may be relying on familiar mechanics, but it definitely stands out from the crowd when it comes to lineup variety. And the 2025 GMC Sierra HD comes with a further increase in this aspect, in the way that there are a few more optional packages on offer, such as the aforementioned Safety Pro package, with new safety features available in entry-level models. But even before these recent novelties, the Sierra HD was already characterized by a lineup variety like no other truck in the segment. First of all, there are, let's call them, standard variants of the truck. These would be trim levels like the Pro, SLE, and SLT. The base Pro is a typical work truck with steel wheels, chrome bumpers, vinyl seats, and a small 7-inch touchscreen. But the SLE trim is already a bit of an upgrade with alloy wheels, power accessories, a massive 13.4-inch infotainment screen, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, cloth upholstery, and more. Then comes the SLT trim, the Sierra HD sweet spot, with a perfect mix of reasonable pricing and a generous list of standard equipment, even with some quite luxurious bits, such as LED cargo bed lighting, bigger wheels, leather seats, dual zone climate control, etc. Then come a couple of off-road dedicated models, the AT4 and AT4X, with some pretty serious hardware. And while this is something most other pickups have in their offer as well, where GMC stands out is in the level of luxury it offers, which brings us to the next reason why you should wait for the 2025 Sierra HD. Number 2. Luxury. Another reason to wait for the 2025 Sierra HD is that you get the most up-to-date version of the most luxurious heavy-duty pickup around. Don't get us wrong, other truck manufacturers have some pretty luxurious pickups to offer, but GMC takes everything to the next level. First, there's the famous Denali trim, well known for its unique styling details that separate from the rest of the lineup. Furthermore, it also comes with various interior upgrades such as premium leather seats, wood and aluminum trim, a premium audio system, bed view camera, and many more. If that's not enough for you, GMC also offers the Denali Ultimate, the range-topping version with further upgrades of the leather upholstery, power-deploying side steps, massaging, kicker tailgate system, and many other goodies that can make many premium badge SUVs run for their money. Number 1. Work capabilities. The GMC Sierra HD is undoubtedly a capable pickup. Yes, the Ford Super Duty and Ram HD models may ultimately feature higher towing capacity, for example, but it's important to understand the context. The thing with the Sierra HD is that no other heavy-duty pickup mixes work capabilities and luxury in such a great way. This is probably the most complete heavy-duty pickup truck on the market. Because, besides all the luxury and convenience we just talked about, the Sierra HD is pretty good at towing, especially if you pick a version with that capable 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel that's been upgraded recently and now puts out around 470 horsepower and 975 pound-feet of torque. The 2500 HD version comes with a single rear wheel axle but can still pull up to 22,500 pounds. Of course, the real deal starts with a 3500 HD model which, with the help of a fifth wheel hitch, could tow up to 32,000 pounds. With a gooseneck hitch, it goes all the way up to 36,000 pounds. Once again, these are not class-leading numbers, but GMC blends these strong capabilities with style, luxury, and convenience like no other pickup in the class. Thanks for watching and see you next time.